come up. The walks in all set, gates open, they're up and racing. Best Strike draws for your lead. Moving up in between runners is Gobilis on the outside. Sailing Queen, La Cienega is by the rail. Coquette moving up, then comes trailing the group is Presidentiable as they pass the last 900 and working to the half-mile pole. Gobilis, Italia now moving up to take second. Sailing Queen drops back in third. La Cienega then moving up. Best Strike, Coquette. Reporter is running by the rail as they race at the last 450. Gobilis leading the field by about a half length. Pressing up on the outside is Italia. La Cienega is closing in third. Then comes Best Strike, Sailing Queen, Coquette, and Reporter as they swing for home. Once again, Gobilis by about 2 lengths. Running in second on the outside, La Cienega. Gobilis, La Cienega. Best Strike is on the outside. Coquette moving up in between runners, leveling up. We have entry number 8. Best Strike now takes command and winning this race over Coquette. Then comes La Cienega, Presidentiable, and Italia for your pentafecta.
Dihado yan.